Okay guys, so I want to share with you some tricks for your hair, for hair care जो आप आसानी से पाकिस्तान में आपको मिल सकते हैं, either in shops or online, etc. etc. I will tell you where I got what from. सबसे पहले ये मेरी recent purchase है, which I really recommend, especially if you have like a dry scalp or an actually oily scalp too. So if you have कभी कभार ड्राई स्कैल्प से इचीनेस होती है, कभी कभार ऑयली स्कैल्प से आपको सेबोरिक डर्मेटाइटिस यानी कि डैंड्रफ होती है. सो जस्ट गेट वन ऑफ दीज. आई गॉट दिस फ्रॉम दराज. इट्स सिलिकॉन मसाजर और ये जब आप शैम्पू करते हैं तब उसके साथ करते हैं. एंड इट्स एक्चुअली really good. It gives your hair some volume as well. अभी तो मेरी बिल्कुल वॉल्यूम नहीं हो रही, लेकिन whatever. And then when you're about to put on your hair mask या conditioner, तो फिर उस वक्त मैं क्या करती हूँ कि first I will get one of these. This is just a basic wide tooth comb. You will need it in the shower. Use it when you, sorry, lint. Use it when you put oil on and when you condition, when you're out of the shower, everything. So once I condition, I use this to detangle my hair, and then I'll use one of these and I'll put my hair up in a bun while I do the rest of my shower. And then when I'm ready to wash it up, फिर 2-3 minute आपके रहते हैं, so then you wash it out. Ooh, this is a short video. अच्छा, then I used to use this for like wet hair, like a wet hair brush, which I got from Miniso, लेकिन अब वो शायद अवेलेबल नहीं है. ये भी मैंने दराज से लिया था. ये एक डिटैंगलर ब्रश है. लाइक ये क्या बकवास है, बट इट एक्चुअली वर्क्स प्रीटी वेल and it gets the tangles out on wet and dry hair. And then why I'm recommending this, okay, wait, okay, but when you're detangling, use like a spray. This is pretty good. The Keratin Smooth, like heat protect and detangling, leave-in conditioner, उस type का. ये भी मैं use करती हूँ frizzies, जो भी आपके लिए, like some sort of a serum that you can put through your hair, and then you just, you detangle. And keep your brushes clean. It's very important to keep your brushes clean. Wash them. And then something to smooth out your hair, especially if you're using a hair dryer or something. I'm thinking it's frizzy हो जाते हैं. So this sort of thing, जिसके इस type के bristles होते हैं, soft से इस type से, you see these darker ones, and then so when you do this, you immediately see like this smoothing effect. Like if I do this, and then like it almost gives your hair a shine. So yeah. These are the things that I recommend using. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this.